So I think the open houses are really going to become the platform and how homes are going to sell themselves. Where we're on my team, we're thinking that we might have a short little, because if someone meets you for the first time, they haven't seen you in action, it's a big commitment. Say, pay me 2.5% no matter what you buy. So we're going to have something like, hey, we'll work with you for like a week, see what you think of us, and then hopefully we'll dazzle you, then you'll sign it. But I think we really need to kind of separate, like show the value add, be unique. But I think a lot of people are going to be leery of signing these. So open houses will become key. And I think that we're going to, we do a huge amount of marketing for open houses. I think marketing might become more direct, where like we're marketing directly to buyers, kind of, I think the newspaper ads will probably fade because those are more for sellers to get listings. Like if you go to the seller being like, I'm marketing directly to buyers, I'm going to have like at our open houses, we'll spend like, our first week on the market, we'll spend like 20K in marketing.
Wow.
But my business model, my business model in 6 words: blow in, blow up, blow out. Where about 85% of our listings sell in 1 week. We only take listings that are competitively priced. Ideally, most of our listings get multiple offers. Most of our listings, if they sell in the first week, on average, they sell for 14.4% above list price. So we just come in, we offer the most of anybody, but we walk away from about 1 out of 3 listings we could get, because we need people to follow our model, which is underpriced, crazy marketing, multiple offers, move on.